Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, the Google Home app, and a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, plug in the Google Home device and open the app. The device should appear as a new setup. You will be prompted to allow Bluetooth and location. Grant both so the app can find the device. Follow the first on-screen prompts to name your home, select a room, and agree to terms. These actions get you into the guided setup flow without delay. Once the device is visible, connect it to your Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password. Make sure signal strength is strong. Next, sign into the Google account you want associated with the home device and enable voice match so it recognizes you and gives personalized responses. Then, choose default services such as music and media providers and link any smart home devices or routines. These middle steps bind account preferences to the device and enable voice control across services. To finish, run the audio and voice tests the app offers and complete any calibration so the speaker and microphone perform correctly. Make sure privacy and permission settings match your expectations and verify that linked accounts like music and calendar are authorized. If the device fails to respond, reboot it, check your router for firewall or MAC filtering, and rerun the setup from the app. Alternatively, clear app permissions or reinstall the Google Home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.